How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So in this video, I have 8 amazing signs that you will be very successful this year. And hey, you made it. Congratulations, because it's your time, okay? First and foremost, don't you feel like it's your time, okay? In this video, folks, I'm about to tell you all the amazing signs that you've probably been experiencing or that you will experience after this video, because this year you will be very successful, all right? The first sign is, are you in a position right now where your life seems to be like, it's hard? You know, you feel like you're in a financial bind, you know, you just seem kind of stuck. Maybe the doors are not opening for you, but you know you are yearning for something. You have this inner feeling on the inside of you that feels as though it deserves something more than your present situation. Does things seem really hard right now? Or are things going good right now? Folks, the truth is, in life, there's this thing called polarity in the universal laws, okay? When it gets super hard, that means you're about to have a really big breakthrough. That means something good is going to happen. After the thunderstorm, it's usually a rainbow or it's either a lot of sunlight, right? Okay, at nighttime, right after, it's daytime, okay? So if you're in a predicament right now where things seem to be going bad, that's an illusion, folks. It's not really going bad. Things are going good. It's a setup for your success, okay? You will be very successful this year because it's your time. The second sign, the second amazing sign that you will be very successful this year is that you have become certain about your life and where you're going. You're 100% confident in where you want to be in your life. You feel as though you already know where you're going to be. You can see all this in your imagination. You can see it all in your mind's eye before it even plays out. You have a sense of certainty that you will be successful. If you feel that without the shadow of a doubt that you are already a success, you're living a success story, then the reason why you're watching this video, because I'm confirming to you that it's your time. In the divine nature of the universe, this year, you will be successful. The third sign is, you have gotten to a point where you've just let go of the past. You know, things that don't serve you anymore, things that don't serve your best interest. You don't even worry about things anymore that you once used to worry about like a year ago, a year or two ago. You know, you've just been letting go, just been shedding dead skin. You know, you've been shedding the scales off of you, and you're just kind of like just running forward, and you're just leaving things behind. You felt like you've let go a lot. You felt like you've sacrificed a lot. If this is you, folks, this is an amazing sign that this year you will be very successful, because here's the reason why you are letting go. It's because you need more energy, okay? In order to go faster, you can't have a whole bunch of luggage. You can't carry a whole bunch of baggage. So you need more energy. So all of the people and the things that were taking up your energy once before, now you're getting in the habit of just closing the door, okay? The fourth amazing sign that you will be very successful this year is, maybe you've already quit your job, okay? If you've quit your job in the pursuit of your fulfilling goal, then give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you've quit your job because you are certain that what you want success-wise, what you want to accomplish will come to pass, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now if you have not quit your job, but you feel the urge that you must let go of your job, you must let go of that 9 to 5 because it's not making you happy. I want you to speak up, leave a comment below and say, I will not be working for long. See, you got to confirm it in the universe what you want, folks. Writing it, speaking it, believing is all power. All universal laws that the universe lives by. Okay, because the universe is living, folks. So write in the comment section below, I will not be working for long. You know, when I quit my job, I'm gonna tell you something. When I quit my job, it was actually 2 years before that I started the affirmations. I can remember telling my mama, Mama, I'm not gonna be working anymore. My mama was scratching her head like, I wonder what he means. I just kept saying, Mom, I will not be working anymore. I can remember when the New Year's came in, you know, after the ball dropped, you know, I would always be a little bit, you know, uneasy simply because I didn't accomplish my goal that first year. The second year, I would still call my mom, Mom, I'm going to be successful. I'm going to quit my job this year. Same year, same thing happened. You know, or next year, same thing happened. But that next year after that, don't you know, the universe opened up the opportunity for me to be able to quit my job and to start doing the thing that I love, which is why I'm here right now. Okay, so if you're feeling like you want to quit your job, this is a sign from the universe that you will not be working for long, okay? So the fourth sign that you will be very successful this year is realizing your true self. You are getting in a habit of realizing your true potential. You're not letting people walk over you anymore, all right? And I'm sorry, this is the fifth sign. But you are realizing your true potential, who you really are, your divine self. You're beginning to live more in your higher consciousness versus your lower consciousness, you know? You're starting to shine bright like a diamond. Like Rihanna say, shine bright like a diamond, you know? And in this consciousness is when things are happening for you. When you stay motivated, when you stay inspired, when you stay focused, when you stay in your higher self, folks. Realizing your true potential is definitely an amazing sign that you will be very successful this year, okay? How many of you are experiencing that? Give this video a thumbs up. All right, the sixth amazing sign that you will be very successful this year is the universe sends you signs. People tell you things about what is to come. You see signs going down the highway, or you might read something in a book. You might see something on television, and it tells you this year you're gonna make it. Oh, baby, there are special things in store for you. If this is you, folks, this is an amazing sign that you will be very successful this year because the universe is starting to talk to you, okay? There's no denying what the universe has in store for you. If you've seen signs around you that tell you you need to prepare for success, such as this video, folks, this is the time that you need to prepare because your life is about to do a 360 this year because it's your time, all right? The seventh amazing sign that you will be very successful this year is you're probably single, okay? You're probably in a position right now you don't have a man, or, you know, you're not really worried about a woman right now. You know, this is definitely a sign that you're about to be successful. And you're probably wondering, why can't I find me somebody? Why can't I find my soulmate, man? That's because the universe has something very special just for you, okay? You need time to yourself. You need time to self-develop. You need time to build yourself up. You need time to connect with the divine power of the universe if you want to walk into your destiny of success. Now, if you are with somebody, if you are with a significant other, or if you are married, it's the same thing that applies to y'all because you both are one with each other. So if you both are moving in a direction of being successful as a family, as a unit, or whatever your career paths are, then this is definitely a sign that you too will also be very, very successful this year. Your whole family, everything is about to change, okay? You're about to get more financial revenue. You know, you're about to take more trips. You know, all kind of amazing things are gonna happen that you never did once before, all right? So the eighth amazing sign that you will be very successful this year, and it's your time, is you feel very anxious, like, oh man, I don't know what this is, but something is going to happen. Don't you feel like sometimes something is going to happen, like it's right around the corner? You can't necessarily pinpoint what it is, but you know that something special is happening in your life right now. You know, you have this sense of anxiousness, which is almost just like readiness. You're ready for something, but you just can't grasp what it is. Folks, this video was confirming it. You will be very successful this year. It's finally your time. That's why you're seeing all these signs. That's why you're watching this video, folks. It don't get any better than this. It don't get any more clear than this, okay? And so if that resonated with you, folks, leave a comment below and say, I am ready for success. See, success is always waiting on us, okay? But are we ready for success? Are you ready to take on what success has to offer? Are you ready for more problems with more money? You know, bruh, are you ready for more honeys? Do you know how to handle all those honeys? You know what I'm saying? Ladies, are you ready? Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below if you are ready to be successful. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. My name is Trenius Henderson. Congratulations. Congratulations on all of your success and all the abundance and prosperity and the things that are about to come to you. I just want to let you know to prepare and embrace, and at the end of the day, be very, very humble, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon up here. Yeah, that's me. Click that. And make sure that you hit the bell notification too, so that you be updated every time I upload a video, all right? In the meantime, folks, check out one of these other videos right here. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.